Hi everybody! Today I want to show you how to send me a message in Canvas. If you are in the Thursday Skills Lab, this is what your class looks like in the Canvas dashboard. So look for Thursday Skills Lab Level 2-3. Now to send an email to me through Canvas, you will have to go here to this inbox icon. We call these pictures icons. Click on the inbox to send me a message. Now you will have to click on this icon at the top of the page, and here you're going to look for my class. Come down here, you see favorite courses, then you come to the right and you see Thursday Skills Level 2-3, so click on that. And then you can just type my name. Start to type my name, capital S-H-A, and there I am. And you can send me a message. Subject means the title of your email. What will the email be about? You can say, for example, question, and then here is the main message box. So you can say, hi, Shauna. What is your, I don't know, last name? Question mark. Please make sure to sign your name. You can say your name, your first name is fine. And then make sure to click send and I will get your message. Okay, if you are in my Tuesday Skills Lab, Tuesday night, again, go to favorite courses, look for the Tuesday evening and click here. And then again, start to type my name for 2 and then click on my name. And then you can type another subject title like I will be absent today, for example. And then always click send and then I will get the message. Thank you, everybody.